Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Mendes. The hormones of male and female reproductive system, if they taste the part of male reproductive system and the hormones of it is testosterone, the function is it regulates the development of the male sex organ while still an embryo. It also controls sex drive and secondary sex characteristic at puberty. Next, the ovaries part of the female reproductive system, the hormones is estrogen and and characteristics at puberty. The function of puberty as it controls the development of endometrium during the menstrual cycle and the maintenance of the uterus during pregnancy. Next is procreative hormone is the function of it stimulates the production of milk in the mammary gland. The gland is pituitary. The first hormone is the luteinizing hormones LH in females if stimulates ovulation, maturation of egg cells, and progesterone production. Whereas in males it stimulates sperm and estrogen. The second hormone is follicle stimulating hormone. The function of it is female. It stimulates maturation of egg cells in the ovary, estrogen production, whereas in male it stimulates sperm production. Thank you.